Microavia is a platform with an autonomous infrastructure. A network of land spot base stations can provide continuous coverage of large remote areas. Centralized battery management controls charge and health for all batteries in the system. Atlas, a fully autonomous drone, is a universal platform for carrying packages, medical and lab samples, cameras, sensors, measuring modules, and many more. Reduced launch time makes the drone always ready to take off. An ideal assistant for urgent missions like firefighting and search and rescue. Land spots provide battery swap for long missions that allows drones to reach distant areas with no charging needed. Reduced operation costs, no local pilot needed. Drones are controlled via internet or LAN with real-time video streaming and manual control mode. Effective team collaboration by sharing drone control, mission, and data. ManNet unmanned traffic management software controls all drones and land spots within a single web-based interface. Real-time air traffic from ADS-B and FLARM, aggregated from multiple sources, takes the flying safety to the next level.